In Albany, law enforcement leaders from all over the state gathered there to support legislation that they say would keep defendants who pose a threat to the community behind bars.
Deshaun Johnson spoke with Monroe County Sheriff Todd Baxter, who was in Albany today advocating for the new legislation. Deshaun joins us now with more on that push for change. Deshaun.
Yeah, a year ago, state leaders and law enforcement discussed the first time about the new proposal. Now, with the most recent incidents happening across the area, local law enforcement officials are now calling on this bill to get passed once again. The PROTECT Act, which is aimed at giving court judges the tools needed to detain suspects who pose a serious risk of committing violent crimes while awaiting trial, is back on the table to address some major issues.
We're the only state in the nation that doesn't have in their law the ability for judges to determine the dangerousness of an individual.
Monroe County Sheriff Todd Baxter stood with other local law enforcement like Ontario County Sheriff David Sorencione about the need for this act, especially after the viral brawl over in Fairport.
We arrested the one perpetrator seen in the video punching a lady in the face, and by New York state law, we had to give him an appearance ticket. Right? He's out of control. He's starting a bar brawl. He punched a lady in the face. That's just not fair to the victim by any means, let alone he's going to go out and hurt someone else.
If the bill passes, this would allow judges to determine better on who needs to stay behind bars before their trial and if they're deemed a danger to others around them.
We want to be like the other 40 United States and the federal government and allow us to present information to the judge that may show this person is a danger to himself or to society, and then the judge can make a determination based on that, or whether they're going to be detained or not.
In the meantime, Sheriff Baxter says they'll continue to partner with other law enforcement officials to go across the state, giving press conferences and educating those about the importance of this bill. In studio, Deshaun Johnson, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 on demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.